seconds ago with somebody right.
Stonehenge. Oh, Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
How much?
Godzilla here. I go to Japan for work, and that's actually from Japan. I bought
Which one?
it.
This one?
That one. Yeah,
oh, Ernest? Absolutely. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Oh, it's another day in paradise.
No, love your shirt, man.
Thanks.
You have any more concert shirts?
There are. I bought a bunch. I'm not sure if there's any left.
Oh, okay.
There are some left, I think.
Gotcha.
My daughter actually took a lot of them. I go to a lot of concerts. So.
Gotcha. These are actually from the concerts?
Some of them, yeah. I'm not sure what that guy took. He took a lot of them.
Nothing is more depressing than showing up to the sale and someone told me they sold all their concert shirts for $1 right before I got there. How much are your shirts?
T-shirts are $1.
Oh, $1.
The men's, the women's are 50 cents. I don't have any band T-shirts. There's one Chicago one in there. That's it.
Gotcha.
That's his thing, not mine.
Yeah.
I hate how it gets all the condensation on it in the morning, you know? Sure. Like I said, everything's negotiable. I have no problem with that.
I'll get these two. The 2 shirts. Sure. You have an interesting yard sale. No one here. 8 bucks. Computer. These hot rods. Train set. 50 bucks for all. 100 feet of track. It's actually a really good deal. This is actually a really good deal for all this Thomas the Train stuff. Normally I would have bought this in a heartbeat, but I currently bought out a massive Thomas the Train collection, and I have like 10 totes filled of Thomas the Train stuff, and I didn't want any others, but with the wooden tracks, with the cars, with all the different accessories, this is easily $200+ worth of stuff. What are these? Hot Wheels. Trying to buy these items, but there's no one here. I guess they're free. All right, well, I was driving by, so you had all the stuff out there. So.
Well, he said he was going to put a couple things out. I didn't think he was going to throw all this shit out.
Oh. I got these 2 right here.
Okay.
So it's 6, so it's 12.
Okay.
Change for 20.
Oh, Jesus! I didn't know he was going to ask me to make change too. Hold on just a second.
All right.
I didn't even know this stuff was out there, to be honest with you.
So the funny thing about this yard sale is this was actually all his neighbor's stuff. His neighbor sent him a text asking him to be able to collect the money in the morning for him. So this guy had no idea all this stuff was sitting in front of his house.
How you doing?
Good.
Take it all. Take anything. Take it all.
How much are your coolers? I never. Why do you have so many coolers?
I worked at a golf tournament.
Oh.
Had to water a lot of people. And,
Gotcha. Now that makes more sense now.
Things like that.
Yeah.
Small ones are 5 or whatever you want to give me. And the big ones are 10, whatever you want to give me.
Okay. What about this one right here?
This is a Fire and Ice. It's a grill with a cooler on the bottom of it.
Yeah.
It's never been opened or used. 90 bucks.
90 bucks, huh?
Or whatever you want to give me for it.
It's cool.
It is.
It's really cool, actually.
It goes into the
Golf club cover? How much is that?
buck.
$1? I'll take that. Okay.
Nothing's expensive.
Okay.
The pictures are on the. I'll
Yeah.
open them for you.
The Hummels. How much you ask for the Hummels?
5 for the small, 10 for the larger.
And then for the
$2 each on that.
$2 each in these?
Mm-hmm.
You have what, 3 of them?
Yes, I do.
Do 3 for 5?
Sure thing. Anything nuts so it doesn't go back in the house.
Yeah.
I had to clean out Dad's house.
Gotcha. Understand. My camera was acting up. I'm not sure if I got this on footage, so we just had the yard sale. What the hell? Got these Christmas ornaments. They were $2 each, and I got 3 for $5. So these usually do pretty decent. I would have to look them up. I didn't look them up or anything or do any type of comps, but this is the other one here. Yeah, stupid GoPro's been acting up. I need a new one. On to the next L. Morning.
Morning.
Whole set, huh?
So are we on camera?
What's up?
Are we on camera?
Just the stuff that I find at yard sales, not the people.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I love Godzilla.
Thank you. Too.
How much are the pops?
How much are the box?
Depends which ones that you want.
The
Godzilla ones?
Yeah.
I do 15 on each of them except the black light ones.
Okay.
I do 20 each.
20 each.
Because I paid 18 for them.
Gotcha.
So.
I'll get the Inspector Gadget. There's a hardcore collectors, huh?
Oh. Yeah. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Ryan put 2 chairs out for free 10 seconds ago and somebody already took them.
Good for them.
Wow, really?
How much is the Mickey?
I do 10 on them.
10 on that one. $19.99. Fast holiday collectible.
Morning.
I got I got the rest of the styrofoam in the other part of the box too.
Jimmy, other Disney pins?
I never used to
I gave them all away to the kids already.
Oh, really?
I hit tons of them.
Really?
Everyone kept bugging it. I'm like, it's yours.
Are these all different prices here for this stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a couple more of those.
Okay.
If you're interested in them,
There
I
it is.
can.
I'm sorry, I'll ask you. How much for the knives on them?
Depends on which one.
Okay.
Bucks I do 15 on. And
Look at that Stonehead. Oh, Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
How much were those, you said?
I hit 3 on them.
You have 3 of them. Okay. How many do you have?
Let me look.
All right.
I had more of them, but I was running out of room to put stuff out.
Yeah, I gotcha. Such a cool collection of stuff. This is like right down my alley with like stuff I love. Yeah, I love the pop culture. I love like you can't get camel stuff anymore because it's not allowed to advertise. Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
Mom, oh, these are cool. I like them.
I don't know if you're into Godzilla, and these are not old, but this Godzilla here, I go to Japan for work, and that's actually from Japan. I bought
Which one?
it.
This one?
That one, yeah,
Oh.
the Mecha Godzilla.
All right, I gotta ask: is Ernest for sale?
Yes, he is.
How much is he? I've never seen that before.
How about 5?
$5?
Oh, you got him? You got one arms.
Yeah. Ernest? Absolutely. Is he supposed to have a drawstring on him?
Oh,
I don't know.
Yeah, he looks like he's supposed to have a drawstring.
Oh, probably broke off.
Yeah,
great. Thank you.
gotcha.
Are you selling?
Charlie McCarthy? Yes.
Yes. 10.
How about all your signs? You selling any of those eventually? Or not?
Probably not.
I collect them too.
Oh, okay.
Rambo for $3.
Two more.
2 more. Were these from directly from the park, or were you buying wholesale?
No, I bought it right from the
Oh,
park.
from the park. Okay. I was telling her, I was like, this is like my thing, all this pop culture we have. I love every minute of this right now. I'm in like heaven right now, so. Because you got Ringling Brothers, you got Bob, you got
A little bit of everything.
a little bit.
I buy stuff and then I change it around and when
Chucky.
I run out of room and
Get the Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, it's missing the stopper.
yeah, there's 2 of them. There's one
Yeah.
and this one here.
What are these?
They were,
Post cereal.
yeah. They're from the 70s. Oh, yeah, I haven't got that for you. Put those little the antenna balls out too.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Are those gonna go on the tarp, right? Because we had them in the tarp with Wednesday.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I just didn't want anything out there that could get sun or wet or anything.
I'll look at the kids, I'll be moving them.
What is that? Now you got me curious.
Antenna balls.
Oh, tennis balls.
Antenna.
Oh, antenna. Oh,
Disney
antenna.
antenna
Oh, all Disney antenna balls?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Most of them are missing the stoppers.
All missing stoppers.
Some of them did have them in there.
Yeah.
He has it in there.
Gotcha.
It in there. I always try to pick up stoppers if I can.
Yeah,
somewhere,
they're
too.
tough.
But yeah.
They're tough. Just don't. No.
Some of you have them like in a crap pile.
Yeah,
like 50
yeah.
cents or something. I just can't buy it for the damn stopper.
Yeah.
Walk by and give it to some kid. Go, here you go. This is yours. You know?
These are from the park too?
Those are from the park too.
How much you have on those?
I did the same thing, $3 on them.
Okay. So, get this.
Good morning. How you doing?
These keys are cool too. The keys are neat.
Yeah, they're probably from the, like, I would say late 70s, early
Yeah.
80s on them.
This is Steve Irwin.
Yeah, Steve Irwin, the set of them, and
Yeah, and then Xena.
Xena with Hercules, and
Okay. Oh my God, Jeffrey.
yeah, he looks away.
Yeah.
He was a kid across the streets in college. He goes, "Can I bring some stuff over?" He was leaving at like 9:30 last night to go out drinking. And I'm like, dude, you're not going to be here at 8 o'clock. He looked like he's half asleep.
That's funny. All right, man. What I got for this right here?
Okay.
Let me know what I got here.
Yeah, there's a little fan in here too that might kind of.
What are you asking on your stuff?
I gotta set it up.
All right.
I gotta set it up before I
All right.
How about 25?
25 bucks?
Came up with like 29, so
Yeah, that's fine.
thank you.
Yep. I found a Commonwealth picker doll.
Yeah. We do the merit scholarships every year for the kids going to college and to trade schools. Yeah, we give them money. That's what all this is for.
Does this Santa work?
Yeah. Do we have electricity in here anywhere?
Sarah.
Sin, you don't have electricity in your garage, do you? To plug into Santa?
So you live right around.
You can carry it over here.
On the other side of Roll. She's in this community. Yeah.
You donated it.
Oh, over there, yeah. I'm not even looking at the obvious one.
The one right next to you, right?
Yeah, really.
Oh, Cindy.
Is they supposed to move down?
Phyllis is here. Yeah, she has arm. Looks like he's doing a little something.
Deb, what? Oh, hey, Phyllis.
13.
Yeah. The bottom leg, I don't think it's working right. It's a cool piece. Spider-Man photo, it's cool.
Yeah, I was doing these.
Miles and
But they took so much money from me, so I'm just kind of tired of giving my money to Etsy. That's Costco's a ripoff. They don't sell him anymore. My son is trying to sell him.
on demand.
I told him he's probably better off on eBay.
Yeah.
Because we would have to sell him for $150.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you.
We'll see.
Yeah.
How much is the stuff over here? Are they all different prices?
Oh, what's a big Nerf gun? I just know that the big one is $75. It's battery ran.
Gotcha. What about the remote?
The universal remote, $10.
$10. Does it work, do you know?
It does work. It has all these little sensors on it, so you can leave
Okay.
your cabinets closed.
And then the camera?
That is also
Oh, it's $75. Okay.
Yeah, because it has all the
Gotcha.
accessories. Yeah, it just plugs in. You mean the charger?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
like the battery still holds the charge and stuff.
Oh,
you know?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we just don't use that anymore.
Let's see here.
I have different remotes now.
Gotcha. Watch case.
Hello.
This?
40.
That's 40. I'm gonna give it 10. I was looking at backup batteries, see what, just in case if I had to buy a battery.
Oh, but these just take regular batteries.
No, they don't. They take a special charger battery.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It does.
Yeah, that's why I was asking, just to make sure.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it can be. You have 10?
Oh, you know what? I do not.
So it's free?
Singles. I don't have singles.
That's okay.
I only have one, two. I only have 3 singles.
Let me see what I have. Take 5 for it? I got 5 ones. All I have is 20s though.
Oh, you only have 20.
Hold on, let me see if I have anything else on me. Yeah, I only have 5 right now.
5's fine.
Okay. Oh, thank you. One way to get a discount.
Get it out of here.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
No worries.
You have a wonderful day. That was a great day of sales. Let me know in the comments. Do you think that Ernest doll looked just like the Commonwealth picker, Kevin? He's gonna love that I put that in the video. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I got a lot of requests for the dogs for picking pets to come back. We're gonna put it in, not every video, but we're gonna put it in, so make it special each time. So we got picking and pets here at the very end. Because we hit our 10,000 followers on YouTube and on 2,000 on Whatnot, at the end of the month, we are doing an all free Whatnot. We're giving away everything for free. Link is down below, so make sure you guys give us a follow. Come and hang out. If you guys aren't joined up, use the code down below, and you get $15 free to spend anywhere you want. But till next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching. Mr. Jack in his cute little diaper.